Pilcher Residential presents 4 of 13 Russell Street, Lilyfield. A low-maintenance designer lifestyle. Exuding a quiet and sophisticated luxury lifestyle over 3 impeccably appointed levels, this surprisingly peaceful circa 2004 townhouse epitomises effortless low-maintenance living. Capturing panoramic views across the city skyline to the bridge, the home is crafted for easy indoor-outdoor entertaining, with a chic Caesarstone gas kitchen and dining area that opens to a sun-washed barbecue terrace. All 3 bedrooms are doubles with built-ins, with the master claiming an ensuite and dual terraces with exceptional skyline views. Offering private living in a tightly held community, additional features include a massive storeroom, air conditioning, polished floors and undercover parking. Conveniently placed no more than a short walk to the light rail, Norton Street and Parks, it is minutes to Johnston and Darling Street cafes and the CBD.